Seasonal allergies. Introduction. Seasonal allergies only affect people during certain times of the year. Select true or false. Correct. Many people have seasonal allergy symptoms year-round. Symptoms may become worse during certain times of the year. Which one of the following statements describes seasonal allergy symptoms? Choose one of the following options. 1. They are cold-like symptoms. 2. They may get worse during certain times of the year. 3. They can range from annoying to life-threatening. 4. All of the above. Correct. Seasonal allergy symptoms vary greatly from person to person. If you think that you have seasonal allergies, talk to your healthcare provider. Treatment is available. Seasonal allergies will eventually get better over time for everyone. Select true or false. Correct. Although many people experience less severe symptoms as they get older, seasonal allergies do not always get better over time. Parents who smoke may unintentionally cause their children to develop seasonal allergies. Select true or false. Correct. If you smoke and cannot quit, smoke away from your children. The best way to prevent seasonal allergies is to use decongestants. Select true or false. Correct. If you cannot avoid an allergen, several medications are available to treat seasonal allergy symptoms. Thank you for using Explain.